Good morning everyone and welcome to another update. It is a windy one today, so I do apologize in advance for the noise. So I have been working on the beehive for the last 2 days and I thought I'd take you along today and show you what has been going on and how I've managed to rectify the moldy situation. During the week I did remove the honey super in the hopes that I could at least salvage one of the boxes. So let's get into what's been going on. This is the super that we ended up removing. I sanded the entire box, gave it a fresh coat of paint, scrubbed the inside, got rid of the mold, bleached the inside. But we discovered that this left-hand corner was extremely moist. We've put salt on it. This is now kitty litter sand. And you can see it's starting to soak up that moisture. But apart from touch, this is how we realized. So after I painted it, it ended up seeping through. After doing this box, that's when we realized we were just going to have to buy 2 new boxes, because as much as I tried to save the boxes that I have, I just don't know if we've got that kind of time. But I will still pursue with this box and keep drying it out and see what happens, because I really do kind of need 3 boxes, especially if this hive manages to recover. The boxes that we ordered are flat packs. It was a little bit cheaper that way. They were also raw pine, so I do need to still paint and seal them. So what's really great about this is they pre-drill all the holes for you. They give you all the screws. So it's really just a matter of putting it all together, and they fit like a puzzle. They have this really cute logo of a kangaroo. I have done a dry fit. It is a 10 frame deep box, so just want to make sure that my frames actually fit. Okay, that's box number 1. We'll see you when I'm done with the second box. Everyone, so it's been a good 12 hours since I painted the boxes. I thought I'd just let them dry overnight and air out a bit so that they weren't too strong smelling for the girls this morning. So I'm at the current beehive where I'm going to move the girls into the new boxes. As I mentioned yesterday, there is one significant change that we are going to be making. So at the moment the brood box at the bottom has got a solid base. We're going to be moving to one of these more open, airy bases. You'll see it's got some mesh at the bottom. The tray actually pulls out all together, making it completely open. This should, hopefully in theory, eliminate some of that moisture problem that we've been having and provide more airflow within the hive. So here are the new freshly painted boxes. A little bit of smudging, but I do think they came out beautiful. I really enjoyed that design, so I kind of just went with the same as what I had previously. I've also gone ahead and put some foundation wax on a couple of frames that I had. One other thing I forgot to mention is we're going to move that board away as well. I just don't want anything trapping the airflow. Okay, so I've got the new brood box in place, and I'm just going to transfer the girls from that box into here. Since I removed my honey super, it looks like these girls are doing so much better. Just going to make sure we find our queen. These are very, very healthy looking frames. Lots of capped brood, lots of eggs, lots of grubs. Compared to a week ago, I'm absolutely amazed. As the hive is looking really good at the moment, it feels like they're trying to recover. I'm actually going to only put 4 of these full frames in here, and then 4 of the new ones that I have recently re-waxed. This will just ensure that the girls have plenty of space, and then the last full frame I'll move into the second box. Okay, you guys, that was a successful mission. Looks like the girls have already found their entrance. Overall, I'm very excited and positive about this. Let's just quickly take a look at their old brood box to see what we were dealing with. Stacks of mold. All the debris at the bottom had nowhere to go because it was a solid base. Now, because there's so many bees still in here, I'll have to leave this box here for a while. Probably come and collect it this afternoon when they've hopefully all gone back in. But have a look at the little pollen on them, it's so sweet. Now, if you're wondering why I haven't put in the queen extractor, that's because I have not actually put another honey super on top. What I'm hoping is I can actually salvage this middle box that I've just taken off and use that as the honey super in the future. If not, I may just have to order another box. I will have to come and check in on them in about 2 weeks just to make sure everything's going okay. If you guys would like to see that update, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, guys, thanks so much for joining me on this journey, and I will see you on the next one.